To this point, we've created an array object, which is an array of numbers, and assigned it to the name data. The reason we call it an object is because it has properties and methods. And methods are things that you can use to get information about the object or to do other sorts of routines or procedures associated with the object. For example, if we put data and then period and then max parentheses and then hit shift enter, this shows us the maximum, the largest value in our data set. Now, of course, one of the most important things is, how do I find out what properties and methods this might have? And in IPython, this is quite simple. You type the name of the object and then the period, and this means that the thing before the period is the namespace for the object. And now we want to find everything attached to this namespace. To do that, simply hit the tab key. This shows you everything that you have associated with the namespace data. For example, if we wanted to do max, we would now hit the letter M, and now it shows us all the things that are associated with the letter M. You can keep typing, or you can double click on max, and now we have max. Now when you hit an open parenthesis, it's going to tell you exactly what this method of the data object does, and it says it returns the maximum of the data. So we close parenthesis and we hit shift enter, and that's how we got that. So for instance, suppose we wanted to find the standard deviation. We simply put data and the period and hit the tab, hit the letter S, and then we look, and down there is STD, standard deviation, the open parenthesis. And the reason we use parentheses here is there are options. Now, we're not going to use any of these options, but there may be times when you do want to use options, and you would put the options inside the parentheses. For now, we're just going to close parenthesis, hit shift enter, and there's the standard deviation of the data that's in our array object.